Hello everybody, I am Homaira from Zoology Department of JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. My topic is blood. Blood is the river of life. It transporting everything that must be carried from one place to another within the body. Blood is only the fluid tissue in the body. Blood appears to be a thick, homogeneous liquid. The microscope shows that it has cellular and liquid components. It is a sticky, opaque fluid with metallic taste depending on amount of oxygen. It is heavier than water and 5 times more viscous due to formed element. Blood is alkaline with a pH between 7.35 and 7.45. Its temperature is 38 degrees centigrade or 100.4 degree Fahrenheit. It is always slightly higher than body temperature. The body accounts about approximately 8% of blood of body weight. Its average volume in healthy adult male is 5 to 6 liter, somewhat greater than in healthy female, in which 4.5 liter blood is present. The blood itself consists of the formed elements. The formed elements are of three types, which is called blood corpuscles. These formed elements are nothing but the red blood corpuscles or RBCs. It is also known as erythrocytes. The second one is white blood corpuscles or WBCs. It is also called leukocytes, and blood platelets or thrombocytes. The red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes are small cells. They are circular, biconcave disc. Their thin center appears lighter in color than their edges. They are little bags of hemoglobin, the RBC protein that functions in gas transport. There are about 5 million RBCs present in per cubic millimeter of blood in adult human male and 4.5 million per cubic millimeter in adult female. The lifespan of RBC is 100 to 120 days. The worn out tissues or worn out RBCs are removed from circulation and destroyed by spleen and liver. The RBCs helpful in the respiration due to presence of a respiratory pigment hemoglobin, which have great affinity towards gases. In such a transfer of gases takes place by the help of red blood corpuscles. The next cellular element of the blood is nothing but the white blood corpuscles. They are also known as leukocytes or WBCs. They are formed element. They are complete cell with nuclei and all cell organelles. On average, there are about 4,000 to 11,000 WBCs are present in per cubic millimeter. They are of two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. The granulocytes are the cells which have roughly spherical shape. They have lobed nuclei and membrane-bound cytoplasmic granules. Granulocytes are classified as neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Neutrophils are stained with both acid and basic dye, hence they are known as neutrophils. Their nuclei consist of 3 to 6 lobes. They are chemically attracted to sites of inflammation and active phagocytes. The second cell present in the form of granulocyte is nothing but the eosinophils. Eosinophils account 1.4% of all leukocytes. Their deep red nucleus resembles telephone receiver. It has two lobes. These cells are lysosomes filled with digestive enzymes. They lack enzymes that specifically digest bacteria. So, the eosinophils perform functions, but its important role is against parasitic worms. The next cell present in the WBC, which is present in granulocyte form, is nothing but the basophils. The basophils are the rare, only 0.5% of the leukocyte population is present in the basophilic form. The basophils are same size and they have deep purple nucleus which is U-shaped or S-shaped with 2 or 3 constrictions. So, in such a way, these 3 types of granulocytes are present. The basophils acts at inflammatory chemical action. The next type of WBC is nothing but the agranulocytes, where granular membrane-bound granules are absent. Their nuclei are spherical or kidney-shaped. They are of two types, lymphocytes and monocytes. The lymphocytes are most numerous leukocytes in the blood. Their number exists in the body. They are helpful in performing the immunity phenomena in the blood. The monocytes, which are of 4 to 8% of total WBC, they have pale blue cytoplasm and darkly purple nucleus. They are helpful for differentiate into highly mobile macrophages, and they are actively phagocytic, helpful to defend the body against viruses and certain intracellular bacterial parasites. The third cellular element present in the body is nothing but the blood platelets. These are not cells. They are also known as thrombocytes. The blood platelets helpful to prevent blood loss by the help of a process known as blood clotting. During blood clotting, when any injury occurs at the vascular level, the platelets helpful for the formation of the thrombocytes or clot. In this clot, the blood protein and RBCs entangled make a network of fibrin, seal the break area, and helpful to prevent loss of blood. In such a way, clotting of such injured areas occurs and the process of coagulation of blood or clotting process occurs. In such a way, blood platelets helpful to prevent blood loss. The blood plasma is the next unit of the blood, is straw-colored, sticky fluid, has 90% water. It contains 100 different dissolved solutes such as nutrition, gases, hormones, water, ions and proteins. There are about 7 gram proteins in 100 ml of plasma is present. These proteins are present in the form of albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Plasma contains 60% of albumin, help in osmotic pressure contribution. The globulin accounts about 35% and helpful in immunoglobulin or functions performed in the for the clotting of the blood. Liver synthesizes and releases more than 90% of protein. Now, the functions of blood. Blood performs 3 functions: distribution, regulation and protection. Blood helpful to carry gases and nutritional substance from one part of the body to the another and helpful for the distribution of the gases and nutritional substance from the area where they are present to the tissues, internal tissues. From these internal tissues, the waste products and harmful gases are produced, which is also eliminated by the help of blood. From dead tissues, the blood stores the harmful gases and harmful substances which are not utilized to the body and convey to their elimination sites, that is lungs and the kidney. The second function of blood is nothing but the regulation, as it is a fluid circulatory tissues which continuously circulate in the body and helpful to maintain body temperature. Also perform a major phenomena for maintaining pH in the body tissues. It also helpful to maintain adequate fluid volume in the body. The third phenomena of blood is nothing but the protection. As you know, blood platelets are there, which is helpful to prevent blood loss. When a blood vessel is damaged, platelets and plasma proteins initiates clot formation at the ruptured areas and preventing infection. In blood, antibodies and blood cells, which is white or leukocytes, helpful to defend body against foreign particles, foreign pathogens like bacteria and viruses. In such a way, the protection function of the blood is also performed. So, here I conclude my topic. Thank you very much.